You don't want to miss this one. This showstopper of a home at 1206 Maple Bough Court is on a cul-de-sac street in Greatwood Forest and Sugar Land. Come on in and let me show you around. This completely remodeled home has over 3,400 square feet of living space and features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 2-car garage with a 10-foot extension. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by hardwood floors throughout the first floor, plantation shutters, a dining room with fabulous light fixture, and a private study with French doors which overlooks the backyard pool. The open living area has a wall of windows overlooking the backyard and pool, while the focal point of the room is the stacked stone gas log fireplace with wood mantles surrounded by custom cabinets. The kitchen is a chef's dream with leather granite counters, island seating, custom cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, including a Thermador 6-burner range and oven with a custom designed vent hood. The owner suite features a sitting area with a door leading to the pool, while the luxurious owner's bath has been remodeled with granite counters, an air bubble freestanding tub, shower with multiple body spray heads, and a walk-in closet. Upstairs has a study nook with a built-in desk and cabinets which lead to the secondary bedrooms and game room with a tall ceiling and plenty of room to host family game nights. The backyard oasis has a gorgeous pool and elevated spa along with an 18 by 12 covered back patio with sink and storage below, which is a great place to entertain family and friends. An additional half bath and pool shower are also conveniently located nearby. You'll love it here in Greatwood with easy access to major highways and shopping and dining destinations just around the corner. Call us today to make 1206 Maple Bough Court your new home.